Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the healthiness paper Sudoku based on June 19, 2023, 2-star Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 1 and 7. 7 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G will add a 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 5. It will come here in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column A, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column D, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 7. Column B, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 8. Seventh grade, we already have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C and 6th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 1, 3. Column G, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, column B, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3, 6, 8. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th row and 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 6th row, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Fifth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. And sixth row only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 9, 5. Column G we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In seventh row only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will be another 2 cells. Column F we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second grade and fourth row only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. Column E we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row and 8th grade only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 8. Column E we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. Column F we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fifth row column E only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.